Let's get right to Mike. We have another storm on the way.
Yeah, how about that? Folks are still shoveling out down south. Let's take you down there right now. Salamanca, the shot coming in of Sean trying to shovel out down in Salamanca. Oh my gosh, look at the snow depth. I mean, this is phenomenal. Let's look at some of the snow totals that have come in now from the National Weather Service and snow spotters across the area. Randolph, 47 inches of snow now. That's the storm total. Yesterday it sounded bad at 40. Now it's 47. Clymer, 45. Bradford, PA, 24 to 30 around that area. Jamestown, 15.5. Amounts drop off sharply up toward Buffalo, and especially off to the southeast toward Allegheny County, too. 7.5, the storm total at the Buffalo airport since this lake effect snow event began. Well, the lake snow is still flying at noontime. Bringing you up to speed on that, we have still multiple bands coming down here to the south of the city across Chautauqua, Cattaraugus County. Darker blue shades in here, maybe 1 inch to 2 inches per hour at some of these spots. And unfortunately, some of that snow, again, is falling over Randolph, where you folks just don't need the stuff anymore. Here around the city, it's been a pretty tranquil morning, actually. Some sun breaking out. It's been pretty nice out there. It's going to be that way this afternoon as well. More lake snow up to the northeast here across Orleans and Genesee counties. And it's been kind of persistent across some of those areas this morning as well. This will continue into the nighttime period and then start to wind down. Well, you probably heard some rumors about a potentially big storm toward the end of the weekend. So we do have that potential. In fact, a widespread storm is likely on Sunday. And there's still a wide range of computer forecasts coming out this morning, unfortunately. So it's really difficult to pin down the exact track of the storm, and that will greatly determine the amount of precipitation we have and the precipitation type. If it's all snow, we could be looking at a significant snowfall accumulation across the area on Sunday. Some models suggest the center of the storm may move a little closer to us. If that takes place, then snow will go over to a wintry mix, at least for a period of time, and that obviously would tend to keep down the final snowfall accumulations. But we will be tracking this quite closely, and of course, meteorologist Don Paul will have further details coming up tonight. Checking the super microcast, and we have those lake snows persisting southwest and northeast of the city this afternoon. We're catching some breaks of sun here in the middle from the city of Buffalo northward up into Niagara County, actually. And then as we get into the nighttime period, lake snow still to the southwest and northeast, persisting during that time period. But finally, tomorrow, conditions become less favorable for this stuff. And it starts to wind down as a few flurries during the morning hours. We should break out into partly sunny skies pretty much region-wide as we work through the day. It's on Friday that a weak storm will impact the area. Clouds increase out ahead of that. There's a chance of a little light snow breaking out as we get into the midday and the afternoon hours. Right now, 23 degrees at Buffalo and Niagara Falls, 19 down at Jamestown, Bradford, and also at Wellsville. And the wind chill is nasty today. 11 degrees right now in Buffalo, and the wind chill value down at Jamestown, 5 above. Here's your forecast details. Sunset time at 4:40 this afternoon for the rest of this Wednesday afternoon. Localized lake snows continuing well to the northeast and southwest of the city. Some sun on the metro with a brisk breeze. The total accumulation for the day, 1 to 3 inches up to the northeast and 4 to 8 on the ridge tops to the southwest. Highs 20 to 26. Overnight, additional lake snows southwest and northeast. The activity to the north, maybe 2 to 4 inches, 3 to 6 to the southwest. Just a few passing flurries or light snow showers around the metro, 13 to 19. Perhaps a few flurries tomorrow morning, otherwise becoming partly sunny. Pretty decent day, actually, 23 to 26, and we have a chance of a little light snow developing by midday and into the afternoon on Friday. Highs 32 to 36. That's not going to be a biggie. Things settle down again on Saturday, and then we have that potential storm system shaping up for Sunday. Stay with us right through the rest of the week, and we'll be keeping a very close eye on this for you.
Excellent, as you have been all week and last week.
It's keeping us busy, isn't it?
Sure is. Thank you very much, Mike.